Good morning. Good morning. It's time to wake up. It's time to wake up. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Wash your face. Wash your face. What would you like for breakfast? What would you like for breakfast? Put on your clothes, please. Put on your clothes, please. Do you need help tying your shoes? Do you need help tying your shoes? Let's pack your school bag. Let's pack your school bag. Sit at the table, it's time to eat. Sit at the table, it's time to eat. Would you like more rice? Would you like more rice? Don't eat junk food every day. Don't eat junk food every day. Finish your vegetables. Finish your vegetables. Don't forget to say please and thank you. Don't forget to say please and thank you. Have you done your homework? Have you done your homework? Let's practice reading together. Let's practice reading together. Do you need help with this question? Do you need help with this question? You are doing a great job. You are doing a great job. What game would you like to play? What game would you like to play? Could you be careful with your toys? Could you be careful with your toys? It's time to clean up your toys. It's time to clean up your toys. You did great today. High five. You did great today. High five. It's time for bed. Let's get into our pajamas. It's time for bed. Let's get into our pajamas. Do you want me to read you a story? Do you want me to read you a story? Good night, sweet dreams. Good night, sweet dreams. I love you. I love you. These simple sentences will make speaking English with your kids fun and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Mind.